Welcome to our cross-reference tutorial on managing suppliers. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to customize your suppliers to suit your business needs using the cross-reference platform. We have 4 distinct supplier types in our system, each with unique interaction preferences tailored to our business model. It's important to understand these types, as it ensures seamless and efficient operations. Today, we'll delve deeper into each one, providing you an insight into their functionalities and how to best utilize them in your operations for optimized business performance. Understanding these types is important for ensuring a smooth operation. First up, regular suppliers. Regular suppliers serve as the backbone of efficient business operations, facilitating the management of purchase orders and overall expenditures. Within the realm of supplier types, all entities begin their journey as regular suppliers, each bearing distinct roles while collectively fulfilling a fundamental purpose: to establish a creditor account for a myriad of transactions. In essence, these transactions form a comprehensive record that delineates the financial relationship between the business and its creditors. At its core, creditors encompass individuals or entities to whom the business holds financial obligations. The meticulous logging of purchases, expenses, and payments within this record ensures the maintenance of current balances for each supplier, providing essential insights into financial dealings and obligations. Then, there are referrals. They are individuals or businesses capable of bringing sales or jobs to your business. They often act as a bridge, connecting potential clients with your products or services. Existing in various forms, some referrals earn a commission for their efforts. Others, however, offer a more analytical perspective, helping you understand the sources of your sales and optimizing your marketing budget allocation. They provide valuable insights into customer behavior and trends. Moreover, each item in cross-reference has a specified determining if it receives commission. The commission earned can either be a fixed amount or a proportion of the sale price of each qualifying item. Up next, we delve into superannuation funds. A unique kind of supplier, they do not deal in the usual expenses or purchase orders. Instead, these entities track the accumulation of transactions coming from payroll entries. They cater to employee superannuation payments. Their mode of operation is not generalized but specifically designed to seamlessly integrate with payroll systems. Lastly, the service personnel. These are the individuals with specialized skills who are retained by your enterprise and assigned to a specific task. The mode of their compensation can vary, either on an hourly rate if they are an employee, or a charge rate if they are a supplier. The charge rate and charge out rate usually have a gap to provide a profit margin for the business. Service personnel can either be an integral part of your workforce as an employee, or they could be external suppliers contracted by your business. However, for the purposes of this guide, our emphasis will be on the supplier service personnel. Most of your suppliers will be used for regular expenses and purchase orders. In business, suppliers form an integral part of the supply chain, delivering essential goods to your doorstep. They are your lifeline in operations, accounting for a significant proportion of your outgoings. However, it is beneficial to understand how to set preferences for different supplier types. This knowledge becomes critical when this functionality is required. In summary, these 4 supplier types cover regular expenses, purchase orders, commissions from sales or jobs, superannuation payments, and labor costs. They're crucial to your business model, forming its financial backbone. They represent outgoing cash flow, necessitating meticulous monitoring. Each one brings certain value and requires distinctive management. Understanding their distinctive contribution shapes your enterprise's financial health. They influence your profitability, operational efficiency, and financial planning. Tracking these expenses and their sources is vital for informed decision-making in your business. In upcoming tutorials, we will delve deeper into the utilization of suppliers within our software. The process will explain the workings of the various screens that are instrumental in recording expenses. These detailed lessons are stepping stones towards a comprehensive understanding of our platform. Thank you for joining us today. Remember, we're here to help you make the most of our platform. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us using the About screen in cross-reference.